What's up, everybody? Today I'm going to teach you guys a beginner pin spinning trick known as the Thumbaround. Let's get into it. If you're wondering why there's a table in this video and none of the other videos, the only reason is so that we can film this without wearing any pants. No. This is really simple, fun trick that you can pull out at a classroom or at a work meeting, and it's subtle, but shows that you have skill, which is why you clicked on this video. So I like to start this from a writing position because that seems most natural. So to get to this, or to do this trick from this position, you are going to first position your fingers so that you're holding the pin between your thumb and your middle finger. Then take your pointer finger and slide it to the top of the pin like so. Then you're going to move your fingers up the pin until your middle finger is right at the center section of the pin. At this point, you're going to slide your thumb up so that it's just adjacent to the middle of the pin like so. Now this is the position you're going to do the trick from. So what you're going to do is you're going to use your middle finger to flick the pin and try to get it to spin around your thumb, hence the name Thumbaround. So it's going to look like this. So as you push with this finger, you're going to release the pressure with your pointer finger, and you're going to want the pin to travel around your thumb like this and then back into your waiting fingers. What's nice about this is you can finish up in the same position you started in and continue writing as normal. When you're in this position, the pin is going to kind of want to start to turn, but you're holding it back with this finger. So you're going to give it a little extra push and then let go with this finger, and it should travel around your thumb. And it should travel around your thumb. It's going to take a little bit of practice. You probably won't be able to do this first try, but work on it for a few minutes and soon you'll be a professional pin spinner. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, you'll probably enjoy some of the other videos on the channel. So hit like and subscribe, and as always, don't be boring.